Hello, welcome to the Ghore Boshe Shikhi. Welcome to back. This is Rayhana. I am from Bhoirab, Kishoreganj. I am always with you for grade 5 students, subject English, unit 16, lesson 6 and 7 and page 65. How are you students today? I think you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Now, before going to the start our class, I want to recite a rhyme for you. Do you agree to recite with me? I think you will say yes. Is it not? So let's start. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Again. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. How do you feel? Do you feel interest? I think you will say yes ma'am. Okay. So, my dear students, the couple of days ago we meet with you a lesson. Can you remember which lesson we read? We learned. Can you remember? Please have a look. What is this? The birds on a string. Yes, you are correct. You are correct. Birds on string. Today we also read bird on a string, but different lesson. This is not same lesson, but the topic's name is birds on string. Okay. Now I want to show some real object. Okay. Please look at my hand. What is this? This is a ice. This is the ice. Now I want to break down. What is this? This is an ice. I break down by the hammer. Okay. So it is called crush. It is called crush. Look at the board. Crush means bhanga. Crush, bhanga. Now look at me again. What I do? I drink some water. Drink. This is called drink. So I write down here drink. Drink, pan kora. Drink, pan kora. Okay. Now I again show you another things. Please look carefully. What is this? Some water drop. Drop. This is called drop. Drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. Futa. Drop. Futa. Now another things I show you by action. Please look at me. Again look at me. This is called pour. This is called pour. Pour. P-O-U-R. Pour. Dhala. Pour. Now I want to show another things. I think you like this because I show you the real object. This is called stir. This is called stir. I stir the water in the glass. So stir. Stir. S-T-I-R. Stir. Naranu. Thank you, my dear students. So we get some words by the action words. This is the action words from this book. First one is crush, drink, drop, pour, stir. Crush, drink, drop, pour, stir. Crush, bhanga, drink, pan kora, drop, fota, pour, dhala, stir, narano. Now have a look. This is your new words for you. So pronounce with me and try to make sentence by these words. Okay. First one is crush. C-R-U-S-H. This is the spelling for you. C-R-U-S-H. Crush. I am crushing some ice. Ami kisu boro bhangsi ba bhangtesi. Drop. D-R-O-P. Drop. Please pronounce with me drop. Pronounce with me drop. Spell with me drop. D-R-O-P. D-R-O-P. Drop. Drop some liquid in the bottle. Drop some liquid in the bottle. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. I drink milk. I drink water. I drink sharbat. I drink syrup, like this. Stir. S-T-I-R. Stir. Naranu. Stir the sugar into the water. Stir the sugar into the water. S-T-I-R. Stir. Stir the sugar into the water. Pour. P-O-U-R. Pour. P-O-U-R. Pour. Please repeat with me. P-O-U-R. Pour. Pour some water in the glass. Pour some water in the glass. P-O-U-R. Pour. Pour some water in the glass. Again repeat with me. Crush, drop, drink, stir, pour. Crush, drop, drink, stir, pour. Okay. I am crushing some ice. Drop some liquid in the bottle. Drink, I drink milk. Stir the sugar into the water. Pour some water in the glass. I think you are clear. Am I right? Are you clear? Please tell me yes. Okay. Dear students, I think you take your book, textbook and pen and also copy in front of the Ghore Boshe Shikhi page, because you are lovely students and brilliant students. Okay. So this is the screen for you, and you also look at page number 65 and put your finger on the book. You can see the words in a blue color colors. Crush, drink, drop, pour, stir. These words today we will learn. So complete the sentences with the correct word from the box. Here are lots of words: crush, drink, drop, pour, stir. But you have to write down these, fill in the blanks by these words. Which words? Crush, drink, drop, pour, stir. So have a look. Complete the sentences with the correct word from the box. So first one, dash some fruit syrup and water into a glass. Next one, the fruit syrup and water together. Third, some ice into small pieces. Fourth, the pieces of ice into the glass. 5, dash your sharbat. Can you fill up? Please try it. I give you 5 minutes, okay? I cut down the time. Try to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think you have completed in the meanwhile, okay? So first one, you can see also screen and also look at your book, in your book, page 65. First one, dash some fruit syrup and water into a glass. Which word? Can you guess? Please tell me. Pour. Yes, you are correct. Very good, students. First one is pour. Pour some fruit syrup and water into a glass. Again, pour some fruit syrup and water into a glass. And second one is dash the fruit syrup and water together. What words you use here? Yes, you are correct. Stir. Stir the fruit syrup and water together. Stir the fruit syrup and water together. Third one. Move to third one. Dash some ice into small pieces. What word you use? Please tell me. Yes, crush. Crush some ice into small pieces. Crush, bhango. Crush some ice into small pieces. Number 4. Which word? Drop the pieces of ice into the glass. Drop the pieces of ice into the glass. Yes, very good, students. Number 5. Dash your sharbat. Now finish. Drink your sharbat. Drink your sharbat. Again, pour some fruit syrup and water into a glass. Stir the fruit syrup and water together. Crush some ice into small pieces. Drop the pieces of ice into the glass. Drink your sharbat. Drink your sharbat. In this way, we make a sharbat. How to make a sharbat? Okay, dear students, let's rearrange some sentences. Now, I show the poster paper I write down here before. So, please hurry up, take your khata or copy and write down these words. Sharbat, comma, your, comma, drink. Can you see? Okay. I think you have complete. Now next one. On birds make stream. Every word has a comma. Please notice carefully. On birds make stream, because you have to rearrange. And third one, I check your learning. I want to check your learning. Small ice into pieces, some drop. Okay, dear lovely students, try to make sentence so that make a sense. Hurry up, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Have you complete? Complete? I think you will say, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. You have complete because you are brilliant, so excellent students. Every couple of days, after couple of days, we meet again, we will meet again. So, first one is, what is the right answer? Drink your sharbat. Drink your sharbat. Okay, if you write down correctly, please put tick mark the answer. Number 2, make birds on string. Make birds on string. Okay, you are also right. All right. And last one, drop ice into small pieces. Drop ice into small pieces. Drop some ice into small pieces. Drop some ice into small pieces. Okay, so you are brilliant students, my lovely students. Now, in the meanwhile, we have learned about how to make a sharbat or syrup or sharbat. So, how to make? We need some action words to make the sharbat or cup of tea or salad or anything. So, we have used here some words: crush, drink, drop, pour and stir. This is the action word or useful words for this making a sharbat. Okay. So, we want to learn one day one word. This word is direction. Direction means nirdeshana. Direction means nirdeshana. So, spell with me D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Direction, nirdeshana. Go through these directions. Go through the directions. You also make of your own direction, nirdeshana. Go through these words, this direction. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Please pronounce with me. Pronounce with me. Direction. Spell with me D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. Direction. Go through this direction. Please write down in your one day one word copy and write down the date also. Okay. Hurry up, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think you have completed. Okay. Dear students, for every class, you know, you have a homework. So, you have to write down 5 sentences. But what? You have to write down 5 sentences how to make a cup of tea. How to make a cup of tea. You ask your mother how to make a cup of tea. Then you can write down. Or if you can, I think you can write down. How to make a cup of tea. This is a homework for you. You write down and keep the note for your teacher. After opening your schools, then you show your teacher. Never hesitate to WhatsApp me if you need any suggestion, any query. 01670575025. WhatsApp me. Okay, for your homework or any query. Have you any asking? I think you are clear. Yes, my dear lovely students. See you next class. Till then, bye. Happy learning. Bye bye. Happy learning. Bye bye.